Hello my dear friend, welcome back to my channel Sapna Raghuvanshi, and tell me guys, how are you? I hope that you are very fit and fine and you are also practicing your English speaking on daily basis and in good way. So my dear friend, with this beautiful hope, let's start today's video. And today guys, I am presenting you with beautiful motivational story. So without any further delay, let's start today's story. Actually guys, once upon a time there lived a father and a son in a small village. And the father was very disappointed and very unhappy and satisfied with the bad habit of his son, because yes guys, the son was addicted to some bad habit. So the father decided to take his son to a wise monk who was living in the out of the village. So the next day he took his son to that monk. So after reaching there, at first he told all things about his son, and he also requested to the monk to get his son rid of this bad habit and to make his son understand some good lesson. So after hearing all these things, at first the master told the son to take a walk in the garden with me. So they means the monk and the son started walking to the garden that time. So after after walking a distance, the master said to the boy, pointed out a plant, a small plant, and then told the boy to pull out this plant from the ground. So after this, the boy at first grabbed the plant with his finger, and easily he pulled out this plant from the ground and gave it to the monk, of course. So but after taking some distance, again the master pointed out a plant. This time this plant was a little bit bigger than in the first plant. So again this time the boy means look at the plant and grab the plant with his hand and then pulled it out. Means after putting a little bit effort only, he pulled it out. So then again after walking some distance, master pointed out a bush, like this time it's a bushy plant. So again the master said to pull out this plants. So that time the boy grabbed all this bush with his hand and did some efforts, and by doing some effort, of course, he again pulled out this bushy plant and gave it to the master. And after this, the master smiled and again he told the son, this time he pointed out a small tree and told the son to pull out this small tree from the ground. So that time guys, the boy at first looked at the tree and then grabbed the tree in his hand and tried his level best to pull it out from the ground. And this time he did lots of effort to pull this tree, but he was unable to pull the tree out of the ground. So after putting lots of effort, when he found himself unable to do this, so he said to the he gave up and said to the master, dear master, actually I can't pull out this tree because it is impossible to pull out this tree because it is much stronger than the little plants. So I can't do this. So that time, and also he said that you know very well that this tree spreaded its root root in the ground, so I can't pull it out. So that time the master smiled and explained the son, like my dear son, in this way, this is just like your habit. If you let your habit take a root into you, so in future you will find yourself unable to pull this bad habit out from you. So try to pull out this bad habit from you timely. And you know very well that you pulled out this tree and this small plants and bushy plants easily because it was not it was not much stronger, and you were unable to pull out this plant, this big tree, small tree, because you know very well that it spreaded its root in the ground. That's why you were unable to pull it out. So in the same way, when you let the bad habit take root in yourself, so in future you will be unable to pull it out from yourself. So if you really want to get rid of your bad habit, so try to cast this bad habit, cast it away from you timely. Don't let them uh, take a root in yourself. And yes guys, if we relate this story to our real life, so in our real life we also find that sometime we are also doing such a thing, like we are doing something and we are knowing very well that this is not good, this is called bad habit. Like bad habit, it can be anything, like wasting much time on social media, means unnecessarily, and eating so much junk food, and also habit of procrastination, and habit of habit of smoking, drinking, and taking drug and all. So there are these type of many bad habit, means if we let them root in ourselves, so this will also become just like a tree in ourselves. So in future we will find ourselves unable to throw it from us. So we should try to avoid ourselves from these type of bad habit, and we should not let them root, we should not let them spread their root in ourselves. So if you really want to get yourself rid from any bad habit, so my dear friend, try to start putting your effort from now on. Don't let any type of bad habit take root in yourself. Okay, so, and first of all, if I talk about English speaking practice, so sometime I hope that you must be avoiding your practice of speaking just because of your laziness and procrastination. So my dear friend, I want to tell you that look at me, I'm just returning from my school and I'm making video, I'm speaking English, and yes, I'm not feeling well today, I can say. But yes guys, still I'm doing all this thing, and I'm telling all these things to you just because you should also try to avoid any bad habit. And this time I'm also feeling not to do anything, just take a rest, but I'm not taking rest. I'm trying to avoid any type of procrastination in me. So, and yes guys, please don't think that I'm praising myself. This is not true. I'm telling all these things just because I want to make you stronger and much serious about your English speaking practice. So my dear friend, now let's say bye, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye, take care.